Hi everyone, welcome back to K-pop Update channel, your go-to place for the latest updates and heartfelt moments from your favorite K-drama stars. Today, we're diving into Ji Chang Wook's emotional message that left fans speechless. In the glittering world of entertainment, where perfection is often expected and vulnerability can feel like a risk, Ji Chang Wook has once again proven why he remains one of South Korea's most beloved actors. A recent heartfelt message from him has captured the hearts of fans worldwide, not for its grandeur or polished elegance, but for its raw sincerity and emotional depth. The message, which he shared during a recent fan event and later echoed on his personal social media, quickly went viral, becoming a warm reminder of the genuine connection that can exist between a celebrity and their supporters. A simple message, a powerful impact. "I'm always grateful," he wrote simply. But behind these three words lay a flood of emotion that fans could immediately feel. In an industry where stars often juggle packed schedules, pressure to perform, and the weight of public opinion, Ji Chang Wook's honest acknowledgement of his fans' unwavering support felt both rare and touching. He went on to say, "There were moments I doubted myself, times when I didn't feel strong enough. But every time I looked at your letters, your messages, or saw your smiles at my shows, I remembered why I keep going." These words were not just a passing sentiment. They reflected the journey of a man who has spent over a decade growing in front of the public eye, enduring countless sleepless nights, rehearsals, setbacks, and triumphs, all while never losing sight of those who believed in him. The actor who never forgets his roots. Known for his roles in dramas such as Healer, Suspicious Partner, Love Struck in the City, and The Worst of Evil, Ji Chang Wook has always approached his work with passion and depth. However, it is not only his acting skills that have made fans adore him. It's his humility, his kindness, and his consistent efforts to connect with his audience on a personal level. Many fans recall how, even during his military service, Ji Chang Wook would make time to write letters and thank his supporters. At every opportunity, he's spoken not just as a celebrity, but as someone deeply aware of how lucky he is to have such loyal fans. One fan commented, "He doesn't just act for us, he lives with us. His emotions are real, and we can feel them." Another added, "Ji Chang Wook is not just our favorite actor, he's family. From gratitude comes strength." The message resonated with thousands, especially because it revealed a side of Ji Chang Wook not always visible to the public, the vulnerable human side. In his statement, he admitted, "I'm not always confident. There are times when I feel like I'm not good enough. But knowing you're all there, cheering for me, gives me the courage to be better." These words struck a chord, particularly among fans who have followed his career through ups and downs, including injuries, challenging roles, and public scrutiny. His openness reminded people that even the brightest stars have moments of doubt, and that love, when given freely and received sincerely, can be a powerful source of healing. A ripple across social media. It didn't take long before screenshots of Ji Chang Wook's message began circulating across Twitter, Instagram, and online communities. Hashtags like #Ji Chang Wook thank you and #always grateful with Wook trended in various countries, as fans shared how much the actor's words had moved them. Fan art, video compilations, and translated posts began appearing in multiple languages. Many shared how Ji Chang Wook had inspired them during difficult times, with one international fan writing, "During the darkest phase of my life, it was his smile in Suspicious Partner that gave me hope. His message today made me cry all over again." Even celebrities and fellow actors commented on his sincerity, praising his humility and character. His message became more than a personal note. It became a viral reminder that kindness, appreciation, and emotional honesty still matter in a fast-paced world. Looking ahead with gratitude, Ji Chang Wook concluded his message with a hopeful promise. "As long as I'm standing on stage or in front of the camera, I'll never take a single moment for granted. And I'll always do my best to make you proud." This closing line resonated deeply. It was not just a farewell, it was a vow. A vow to continue giving his all, not just as an actor, but as someone who understands the weight and meaning of love given by others. As fans await his upcoming projects with anticipation, one thing remains clear. Ji Chang Wook's bond with his fans is not built on superficiality or fame. It's built on gratitude, empathy, and mutual respect. In a time when so much of entertainment feels curated and commercialized, his sincerity is a breath of fresh air. And for that, fans around the world continue to say, "Thank you, Ji Chang Wook." Thanks so much for watching. If Ji Chang Wook's message touched your heart too, don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more heartfelt stories and K-drama updates. See you in the next video.